Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Vinny's Artisan Journey. Today I feel so excited to share with you guys how to make this unique noodle dish called Moonlight Kuey Teow or Moonlight Hor Fun. In Cantonese, it is called Yut Quang Ho, which translates into the moon is shining brightly over the shimmering river. Let's take a close look at it. The noodles are supposed to resemble the shimmering river, while the raw egg yolk represents the brightly lit full moon. Let us begin by preparing the seasoning to fry the Kuey Teow. 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, half teaspoon fish sauce. Stir it well to combine. Now let us prepare the overall sauce. Half cup chicken stock. You can prepare the chicken stock in advance and keep it in the freezer and use it whenever you want. Add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce into the chicken stock. One teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, a dash of white pepper powder. Heat up a little bit of oil. Add in 300 grams of Kuey Teow or flat rice noodles. Stir fry over the highest heat. Add in seasoning mixture. Fry until the distinct smell of aromatic caramel is achieved. Turn off heat and set aside. Heat up a little bit of oil. Saute minced garlic until fragrant. Add in the ginger slices. Add in marinated pork. This pork slices has been marinated overnight with a dash of white pepper powder, sesame oil, light soy sauce, and corn flour. Add in the shelled and deveined prawns with tail intact. Fish cake. And squid. Now add in the chicken stock with seasoning mixture. Add in 1 handful of choy sum or Chinese flowering cabbage. Add in the pre-fried Kuey Teow. Continue to stir fry over high heat. Turn off heat when the sauce has been reduced. Create a well in the center of the noodles. Crack a pasteurized raw egg into the well of the noodles. Pasteurize is a process of partial sterilization, thus making the raw egg safe for consumption. Now mix the raw egg into the hot fried noodles. The residual heat from the hot noodles over the raw egg create a smooth, silky and creamy texture. Now what are we waiting for? Let's eat! Thanks for watching Vinny's Artisan Journey. I hope you enjoyed my videos. Please support me by subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Don't forget to give me a like. I appreciate your kind comments and feel free to share out my videos to your network too. Till then, goodbye!